Hello Kuwait and Philippines, hello Middle East, and hello world. And welcome ulit dito sa ating live update. And one of our student in AMCA Nursing Assistant Certification and also our own Mr. Mark Kevin, our instructor. So right now, we are going to do live from our achievement of our one of our examinees in AMCA. So let's welcome, ma'am. Can you
introduce yourself?
Okay, so my name is Purity Mamboy and I'm from Kenya. So I joined this school some few months ago, and I'm happy because I did it. I did my best.
Yeah, you know, our faces right now, it's more of success and also achievement and also a warm congratulations to Miss Purity as she achieved to pass this one of the difficult exam, the AMCA Nursing Assistant Certification. Yeah.
And really, she is one of my best student, and wherein I really admire her dedication to pass the examination. And what are your secrets? Would you like to share?
Especially for those who are incoming examinees who would like to know also what was your steps and strategies or the key points that prepares you to achieve this exam?
So basically, one thing we need to know is that you have to read.
Yes,
there
reading.
There is no any other option. You have to read.
Yeah.
And of course, you have to be attentive to Sir Mark's class. He's such an encouragement. Whoever listens to him, I'm very sure they will pass, even for those who are coming. So for me, what I did is that I took it upon myself, like reading, reviewing everything that was sent in our group. Basically, we have a WhatsApp group where our Sir Mark sends review questions. He will send some challenges, some games, which are very helpful. And then we'll be like, please answer those questions. So even if they will not they will not be there during the exam, they will just open you up and you'll be able to review even other things which you are not able to get. So basically they are very helpful. So I took it upon myself to make sure that even not all during my busy schedule, because I'm also working, at least I'm able to like review some, if not all, but if I have time, all. So this one has really helped me, I would say like that. And then something else is
yes, because you know AMCA is one of the difficult exam. It's very challenging.
Yeah.
And also it's very challenging to our also a working student at the same time, working at the same time, reviewing. So how do you manage your time in juggling between your work and also your studies?
Actually, if I tell you how I do it, it has been
it will
great.
be a good tips for the exam.
They will be encouraged.
It has been kind of, I have been having a very tight schedule, especially for the past few weeks.
Yes, I know it.
Yeah, because actually some of the exam I did them online.
Yeah.
So basically, like working 13 hours, I was working 13 hours. So I was actually, there is a time I did my exam from I think 1 a.m. to 3.
For the mock test.
Yes, for the mock test to 3 a.m. and I was like, oh my god, this is a lot of dedication. So like you know, you just like dedicate yourself to reading.
If you want something to achieve, you need to dedicate 100% of yourself dedication.
Yes.
You have to dedicate yourself, you have to read, you have to review, you have to keep on asking questions. I know I have really asked questions where I don't understand. If I come across something that I really don't get, I will ask him, and he's very helpful. Even when he's in class, he will be like, I'm in class, but I'll get back to you. And he sure does.
Yes.
Yeah,
because
really
one of the
best.
perks for this review, the students can access anytime.
This is the best thing. You can access our tutor anytime.
It's like a 100% access.
So for our viewers, So I was able to observe what Miss Purity told us. So you really have to follow reading.
Yes.
You really have to do your time management. And as I sum up, the dedication, really, it really matters. Whatever your problem is, if you focus
Everyone
yourself,
has that
all
one,
right?
yes.
If you focus yourself in dedication, everything will follows. All right. Even you have struggling roller coaster ride with your schedules. All right. But ICSA will always cover those lapses. So as Miss Purity told us a while ago, I am sending, all right? I am always pushing, all right, into your most limits, all right, that you will be able to pass the exam. And most of them, even you are in online, even you are face-to-face, but of course, I am encouraging them to attend in face-to-face because it's difficult, too much difficult, because it's like a licensure examination. Yeah. And some of my students really will get encouragement from you because my level 3 and my level 4 student, even my CPD student as a healthcare provider, so they really want the examination. And it's good to know that you have the passing rate of starting with Miss
Yes, you do.
So
and
it's
actually
encouragement.
something else that really like was helped me. He's really supportive. In fact, he was pushing me like you have to be the best. You are the best. So this one kept on ringing in my mind like you are the best. You have to do the best. You have to be the best. So that one, it's also something.
Yes, because it will going to affect your what you call
So
that?
like I was always
perception,
like, what if I fail? He believes that I will pass. So I can.
Yeah, and Miss Purity really have a good score even in our practice test. But another question, Miss Purity, it will be difficult because you are in front of me, but would you describe me as your teacher in 3 or 1 sentences?
Yes, approachable, outgoing, and yeah, that's what he's like. You are very approachable. Like anytime we like need anything, even in class, you are just always there for us. If we need anything, you are there for us. Like we don't feel like there is a gap between us and you.
No, even you are different nationality.
Yeah, that
you
is
feel that
actually that is something else. Like me being I think in my my Friday class, I was the only African, and not even one day I felt like, oh, the teacher is like keeping me aside because
boundaries
of my
or what?
No,
everyone is equal.
Yeah,
everyone is equal.
This
Maybe
one was
I have bias with you more.
somehow, but in a good way.
Yeah, because one of the characteristics of an instructor is to see each of his students' capabilities and also to move or push them up on a higher level to achieve. So yeah, we feel grateful and also with your
and this is it's your birthday gift to me. So thank you for passing the exam. Really, a teacher, instructor, and even all the staff in ICSA are so much happy. Indeed.
Because whatever our students' achievements, it is our honor and achievement as well. So any, what they call that, message to our incoming examinees as well. Because, you know, they will be in your shoes next time for the examination. What would be like 3 key points when you are taking the exam that you could advise to them?
Okay, one thing that I learned from Samak was he was really keen. He was like, when you have your exam paper, the first thing you read through, you answer the questions that you can.
Yes.
And then you don't get stuck with one question, the one that you don't understand, just pass, leave it. Then answer all the questions that you can. Then after that, you go back to the questions that you feel like you can eliminate, like read the answers, and then you can assess like, option A would be better than B, you know, then you do the elimination method, and then the one that you cannot, you pray to God.
Yeah, so
basically-
praying still. Yeah,
That's
so
the
much
number one.
important.
Yeah,
That's
actually,
number
prayer
prayer
one.
is
That's the
number
number one.
Prayer is number one, yes. So that is very, very important so that you can be able to manage your time well. And
Yes.
also do not listen to other
Any
people.
negativity.
Any negative.
Yeah, so always positive,
be-
continue.
Yes, that is like what he was telling us. I know you can do it, you will do it. I don't want you to focus on the negativity. I know you, my student, you can do it, and see, we have done it. And even the
Yes.
rest will do it the next time. Yeah.
Yeah, so thank you, Miss Purity. Actually,
welcome.
it's very good to have you here
Yeah.
and share your achievement and success also to our viewers in our incoming examinees also. So always remember the key points that Miss Purity has been shared because it's already tested and proven during the examination. So you need to review all the materials, do the elimination techniques, and also trust and faith in God that He will be guiding you in passing this exam.
So for those who are watching right now, probably you are still confused. What are the requirements? What is this course? So this course, or this is a review class,
Yes.
wherein you can get a certification from United States of America under AMCA, nursing assistant. So what are the perks, Ma'am Lynn?
Yes. So for this course, it would be available face-to-face and online classes every Monday, and the requirements will be like your picture and civil ID or identification if you're outside Kuwait. And then for the qualification, we want everyone, for those who are going to be enrolling in this exam, because it's exam, it's not a training. So everyone should have at least experience in handling patients and also like a background at least in working in the hospital, because this is like equivalent to licensure examination. So yeah, so those are the requirements for this course. And yeah, for the inquiries and more procedures and how to enroll, you can message us on our chat box or message us on our WhatsApp number +965 9930 2850, or you can visit us here in our office.
Yeah,
Yes.
so that's a very nice explanation. Huh? And thank you again, Miss Purity. Congratulations.
Miss Purity is about to go for vacation, and then this is a great blessing.
Yes,
And also, yeah, the achieving of passing this very difficult exam.
Yeah, it's very difficult, right?
Yes. So thank you and congratulations once
Thank you
again,
so
and
much.
God bless
Thank
you.
you. Amen.
And we are praying for your next journey.
Thank
Yes,
you.
thank
Yes,
you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. And again, before we end, always remember that you have to dedicate yourself, always pray, and always keep mind that you have your goals and you have to focus
Yes,
it.
you need to
And you are
prioritize.
here in Kuwait, not to finish it all of your life you stay in Kuwait. Of course, you have your goals, right? Probably migrating in other countries, and you have to uplift your skills.
Yes.
And ISIS is your partner for that. Okay?
Yes, as always, I
As
say
always.
your partner in success.
Success.
So thank you everyone, and thank you Miss Purity, thank you Sir Mark Kevin
Thank
for
you.
sharing this time, and also to make a motivation and encouragement to our upcoming students. Bye, and God bless you everyone.
Bye!